Hi, I'm Cale from Melling. Thanks for clicking. Melling Engine Parts is excited to announce the acquisition of Performance Springs Limited, now known as Melling Performance Springs. Performance Springs Limited has been in the business for nearly a quarter of a century and was previously one of Melling Engine Parts' top suppliers delivering top quality product on time, which made for a simple decision when the company became available for purchase. Melling Performance Springs is a premier designer and manufacturer of made-to-order, high-quality precision spring products. Melling Performance Spring is a Tier 2 OEM supplier featuring ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 quality certifications, as well as ISO 14001 environmental certification. Housed in a modern factory and using the latest technology and state-of-the-art equipment combined with the unrivaled knowledge and expertise of its management team, Melling Performance Springs is a leading innovator in the field of high-performance spring technology. Our on-site testing facility performs spring fatigue testing, component endurance and fatigue simulation, dynamic response analysis, strain gauge testing, valve float testing, hardness testing, and magnetoflux crack testing. The company is committed to growth and investment in both its workforce and the manufacture of wire and sheet metal related products. At Melling Performance Springs, our mission is to become the most technically advanced and innovative spring manufacturer in the world and to offer our customers excellence in quality, delivery, sales, service, and technical expertise to build strategic partnerships. Be sure to check out Melling Engine Parts for all of your stock replacement and performance valve spring needs. I'm Cale from Melling. Thanks for clicking.